Ensemble air koso NDC for aba bonten air trese kokro morning show. Kwame Sefakan host one of the biggest political morning shows at Ghana no. NDC for se wombe boycott show no. And now woma boycott show no sana mekano. Na NDC for one original chairman, I beka se former regional chairman being so I friend Alote Jacob Sangrofo bebre enim no. Omo a suspend no. Me den semni ni na bremo na wati asie ye. Senia de bia ye no. De bia ye be sha asie no. Ene se Alote Jacobs na senia me din kaka no ye former regional chairman. Last year NDC for SNA message ekoma all platforms Alote Jacob okoso eya wako asempa na wako kasa first no kasama NDC. Na bo mo betu ni free so no. Ena say NDC for sending message ekoma all radio stations and TV stations who call Alote Jacob to speak on behalf of NDC and say sisi ano Alote Jacob won kasa emma NDC biom inti ma radio stations no emfre no say won be kasa ma NDC nekre Alote Jacob Yobia he built relationship with all these radio stations, so they still called him as a social commentator. In this sense, no, Alote Jacob was not speaking for NDC. He was speaking as a social commentator. In the time way there, say now we NDC ni, but as a social commentator, no, NDC for the ya de nya wakasatia womo. MPP for so ya de nya wakasatia womo. In now we a social commentator. What you say? He was still going on Peace FM. He was still going on Asempa FM and other radio stations to speak as Alote Jacob, not on behalf of NDC. Na nini nemu no na enye NDC for ne de because okwa ne kreni wakasetia NDC pa otumi kasa se wo be expose NDC for bi enyama bi a wo mo aye trese enye easy. Na enumu ena trese na nseya emse ensamwa mahama air cancer wonu wo si hospitals de enyama bebre Ekufuado anto aso no. And Alote Jacobs. Oman na nuko yi neka. Ghana has a yempenekre. Alote Jacobs man na nuko yi neka. Emma Alote Jacobs ko kan say. And the hospitals na Mahama eka se Ekufuado antiaso ni na no. Mahama ye green book. Emma green book no Mahama throw wom say hospitals no we sie wie. Inti aden ende wo ba bonten aba beka. Say hospitals ni ye wie ye Ekufuado wo so botiaso no wantiaso. Nanka wo wie just like what you said in a green book say nanka Ekufuado nanka ni kwan say wo beto aso nanka Ghana will be using it na no na NDC for anyo mo de. Aside this say na medin kan tell no Alote Jacob has been saying a lot of things about NDC or core radio stations especially Sami Jemfi. Woma Sami Jemfi strong warning. Sami Jemfi, who is the communication director of NDC, woman, a strong warning say wo yakola wo mbu ade say he has been going back and forth with some NDC personalities. We expose ebimo. Can sem form ho. In terms of the last one we are kokan na say NDC for semasa dondo afunu tigari. Into NDC for SNA message. Ekoma Kwame Sefakan because Alote Jacob comes on Wednesdays. Into NDC for SNA message ma Kwame Sefakan say Kwame Sefakan yes real. So what per se yen NDC for still ya sansoba will show no so a ye Alote Jacobs every show no so na tre say enka 2 slots na sa 2 slots no farmer NDC for otherwise ye be boycott show no. Obviously NDC cannot dictate how Peace FM or Kwame Sefakan should run his show. Nti Kwame Sefakan ampene Enumu na NDC for a boycott say Kwame Sefakan ni show kokro ko ewo Peace FM no. Wo mu wie no mo so eden krata ba ye say wo mo suspend Alote Jacobs. But me who ne say suspension ya wo mo so mo suspend Alote Jacobs no. It actually wouldn't work. Because ni pa ko na ngasa mama Ghana will be ati say he doesn't speak on behalf of NDC again. Ghana for will be at Alote Jacobs on Kasama NDC. And so if you are saying you suspended him, I mean, to what effect? Effect Ben never have it. And this if we release it in Krata, I will more explaining the suspension of Mr. Bernard Aloteje. Now, me reading Krata and intro was say the Functional Executive Committee of the National Democratic Congress, acting on behalf of the National Executive Committee of the party, at its meeting held on Wednesday, the 6th day of May 2020, has suspended you forthwith as member of the party pursuant to Articles 46, 46.1, 46.2, and 46.8b of the party's constitution for your persistent anti-party conduct. The matter has been referred to the disciplinary committee of the party for further action. I remain yours faithfully, Honorable Samuel Ofosu Ampofu ankasa ena nensa ehye nkrata we ase a woka se sisi ade Aloteje Corps ya suspending from NDC party ni mu ankasa se sisi ade Aloteje Corps ni kwan se odi hwa ne ho kra biom se wo ye NDC ni. And you see, I keep saying this, Ghana has said, if you're a politician, you are not supposed to say the truth. Me say Ghana has said, Tio, if you're a politician, you are not supposed to say the truth. Asemo Aloteje Corps aken, sebe ensemo awoken bone ben ene wom. Ni bisamu. Ensemo Aloteje Corps kan de wokan na nsen no bone ben ne wom. Is it not a fact? Say NDC mo time mo de share green book ni mo say mo wie hospitals here na. Is it not a fact? Dabio, is it not a fact? Me kai embra NDC for release green book no that time I didn't have this much followers. But nanka that time you follow me. If you've been following me for long, I'll be want to say me babontin ebe podcast 8 year NDC for say massa. We all know the truth in this country. Me no crack can who be. Emma 4 years ago, me campaign 8 year NDC. And no crack can be. And I've said it several times. Say me, I didn't vote for NDC. And that's why I can say be American may go NDC for any more as you. But NDC ni MPP for the difference being because it's here no MPP krano masa wono kra ba so wama yehu say masa wono kra no hwe wama yehu say sebe wono kra no wone NDC no papa bi enim sebe. But I keep on saying this. Ghana has say politics in my yankane kre. Asemo Aloteje Corps kan no hunti baba abontin ya be suspend no bone ben enokan. We don't encourage ourselves to speak the truth on issues. Ukwa kan sem na ye nekre waso be ye hye wo man we mu. Ukwa kan sem na fa party ho na asem na ye nekre ye be forget say asem na ye nekre o ye be ka say who go party ni mu ase na tre say indirectly we are training people who belong to these political parties to be lying when glaringly they can see. And no crack can who be and ministers be a wa aban mu clear wo mo ba bontin ye betwa ntro mi wa wo mo nim sa asem a wo mo kana ye ntro. And the crack can who be. And I'm linking it because when they are say MPP ni NDC ni there's no difference. And the crack can who be. And Ubenya Minister of Agric and wo betumi abegina Ghana fo ni maka say ukita 3 cedis a brodie a Ubenya ne bebre enra mi ko okrum mi se mi to fruit ekuturo baako 1 cedi pear baako 5 cedis pineapple baako 10 cedis pawpaw kitwe bi baako 5 cedis mi hu ya mi se Ewurade Yesu Ghana ni na so Ubenya Agric Minister aba begina Ghana fo anim etwa ye ni na ntro a ye ni ye nim se ye ntro se brodie betin bebre ukita 3 cedis a Ubenya lying to us say enyama bo ayefo Ghana edwane bo ayefo this time around. Agric Minister begina Ghana fo ni enim etwa ye nsa ntro no because wonim ne kre no okoka ne kre na wono kra ne party ebe suspend no. This is not something with only the NDC. Oh. Don't be deceived. It is not something with only the NDC. Even with the MPP clan, we MPP ni, and just say we Kennedy Japan. Kennedy Japan pe, and we are untouchable when it comes to NDC ni MPP matters. And just say we Kennedy Japan pe na, we no we listen the party. Eya de na nya, we ba bonten beka. You to mean suspending no. Kennedy Japan pe, but let any other person. Let any other person, both political parties, and who say assemble any, no one can otherwise. Massa, ye who feel so check. Eya na won, eya meya. But you see, people tell us that democracy is not for this country. And to the be a would you want a yanacre? Democracy, pandia, and ya democracy, it doesn't encourage you to say the truth. Oh, what kind of crack you be you with and then and you be near the Alote Jacobs no. I'm trying to your comment box anymore. Now NDC for more dear election no must mobile and this is the time you want to boycott a radio station. And you must say one nebehano. Me I'm a team baby nebehame. Now boycott it. Now MPP for one got now. Now NDC one become as some NDC ni kana sorry MPP ni kana as one. Say no. MPP ni no the work can answer my vote ya mano. Why we NDC now say one kono me a family home. Because you go on those radio stations to speak your mind. Na Ghana for when you say okay, as someone abaye kano ebi amonso mo kan kre. By nne, wo say one kwasa radio station so. Enu nti wa boycott na MPP for pen kwa. And the so mo ka asema tren no na e be believe. Nti ene de mo amujengire emfa me amiti me baby. Me melodies with me baby America say, oh boycott radio station as NDC. Is it my problem? It is not. So that's that. I'm not sure what your comment box, Timo, but that's it.